In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter emails by subject Gmail. If your inbox is crowded, this is a simple way to make Gmail automatically organize or act on messages based on words or phrases in the subject line. You'll do this on a computer because filters can only be created in the web version of Gmail, not in the mobile app. Start by opening a browser and going to mail.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account. At the top of Gmail, look for the search box. On its right edge, there's a small down arrow. Click it to open the advanced search panel. This panel lets you tell Gmail exactly which messages you want to target. In the subject field, type the keyword or phrase you want Gmail to look for in the subject line of incoming messages. For instance, if you want to capture anything with the word invoice, just type invoice. If you need an exact phrase match, put it in quotes so Gmail looks for that phrase precisely in the subject, like project update. Now, at the bottom of that search panel, click Create Filter. This opens a list of actions you can apply to any message that matches your subject rule. Choose what you want to happen automatically. Skip the inbox will archive the message so it bypasses your main inbox. Apply a label, groups it under a label, similar to a folder, so it's easy to find later. Mark as read keeps your inbox tidy if you don't need to open those emails. Star it highlights the message for quick attention. Delete it. Moves matching mail to trash. Forward it to another address, sends a copy where you need it. And never send to spam ensures important messages aren't misclassified. If you want Gmail to act on existing messages that already match your subject rule, check the option that says Also apply filter to matching conversations. When you're satisfied with your choices, click Create Filter again to save and turn it on. Here's a quick example. Suppose you frequently receive invoices and want them labeled automatically. Open the advanced search panel, type invoice in the subject box, click Create Filter, choose Apply a label, and select or create invoice, then save. From now on, any incoming email with invoice in the subject will land under the invoice label automatically. One last tip. To match an exact phrase in the subject, use the quotes format subject, project update. Once your filter is set, Gmail applies it automatically to future messages that meet your rule, keeping your inbox organized with almost no effort.